Hi everyone! This video will guide the user through the process of adding Express 365 as an intermediary at the MyInvois portal under the MyTax system by LHDN. Firstly, the user must navigate to the correct environment based on the purpose. Production, intended for authentic business transactions. Testing, designed for trial and experimental transactions. Enter the credentials and log in. Once logged into the MyTax portal, navigate to MyInvois at the menu bar. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Select View Taxpayer Profile from the drop-down. Scroll down to the Representative section and select Add Intermediary. Enter the following details. Click Search and wait for the status to update. Once the status displays as active, click Continue. Set the representation date range according to the user's requirements. Enable all permissions. Click Add Intermediary to save the record. Once the intermediary is successfully added, the user will see Express 365 listed as an approved intermediary. The user can now proceed with the invoice submissions by Express 365. Thank you for following along.